how to do your classwork. Sometimes your teacher will give you the link in the chat box. All you have to do is to go to the chat box. Click the link. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And it will redirect you to the link. You will see this box. This box is a sign that you are in the correct link. Class not found, teacher. No. Look at this. Is this your name? No. Click on the arrow down. So the arrow down will lead you to all the accounts that your laptop or PC has. Choose your name. I am AJ Fajardo, for example. Then, wait. Ta-da! You will be given your basic prayers activity. So the title is Basic Prayers. Worth 15 points. Drag and drop the correct words inside the boxes to complete the prayers. Click on the slides. Click on the slides and then wait. Let's do the activity. It says here, type your name here. I'm going to type my name. It's Fajardo. And then, for example, I am Tool Council. Go to the next slide. Activity 1, complete the prayer. So this is a prayer. You have to complete with the right word. You do not just drag anything. But, let's say this one is here and then here. But do not do what the teacher is doing because it's not the right thing to do. Click. Drag and drop. Go to the next page. You have to read first. Do not follow teacher. Teacher is just putting anything. Click. Drag and drop. Click. Drag and drop. Click. Drag and drop. But wait, it's not inside the box. Make sure it's inside the box. Click. Drag. Oh wait, teacher! It's getting bigger. What should I do? Let's go to the arrow going to the left. It's undo. So it's what you call the undo button. It's your best friend. Undo. And ta-da! Getting back to normal. Okay, let's pretend that you're already finished. Go back to the title, Basic Prayers. And then, turn in. One attachment will be submitted for basic prayers. Turn in. And when you see turned in, that means you already submitted. Hooray! Very good. Can you do your classwork now? Yes. Goodbye.